Easy plain vanilla muffin, soft and fluffy. I'll show you how to make cupcake. Let's mix our dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking powder. So I'm using 1 cup and 1/4 of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix all these dry ingredients together and step it aside. To get a perfect fluffy muffins, follow this recipe to the end. I'm using half cup of butter, unsalted butter, half cup of sugar. Mix all this together. Use your hand mixer, which is your electric mixer. Mix this until it's very creamy, like fluffy. So follow this step and you'll get that perfect soft muffin. Mix this in a high speed like 5 to 10 minutes. Add egg. I'm using 2 eggs, but I'll be adding this one by one. Mix this in a high speed so you get something very fluffy, like white in color. Then after mixing this, add the other egg into your butter. I'm adding the second egg just the way I'm doing the video. The process is very simple. As you can see, it looks very fluffy and look very creamy. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You can add extra flavor, but since we are making a plain vanilla muffin, this is what I will be using: 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Combine with your ingredients and mix with high speed. Let me take some minutes to appreciate all my new viewers and my subscribers. You guys are so wonderful. If you are new to my channel, you're so much welcome. I have so many recipes that you can find in my channel. Please feel free to go through it, and please do not forget to like and share this video. If you have questions, leave it in the comment section. At this moment, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, but I'm not going to add it at once. I'm going to split it into two, then I'll mix this. At this moment, just use low speed to mix your flour with your ingredients. Just the way I'm doing in the video, follow the step to get that easy and fluffy muffin. Very soft and very fluffy cupcake recipe. This recipe is very perfect and it's so much delicious, and with just few ingredients you get that easy plain vanilla muffin. I'm going to add the other part of the dry ingredients with my ingredients. Mix this thoroughly with low speed. You do not need to use high speed to mix these ingredients together. To get a perfect, easy muffin recipe or cupcake recipe, you just need to follow the ingredients, and just few ingredients and just a couple of minutes, you get that perfect muffin recipe. At this moment, I'm going to add half cup of milk. I'm using low fat milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Then I'm going to mix this with my ingredients as well. As you can see, it's very fluffy and it's very creamy. One quick tip about making your cupcake or muffins: please remember to preheat your oven before you start mixing your ingredients, because the mixing does not really take that long, and during that process your oven should be ready. So I'm going to put my butter into my cupcake, then we start baking our cupcake. So this is the outcome. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake this at 350 Fahrenheit. This is the outcome after 22 minutes. I bake it for 22 minutes. As you can see, it looks very fluffy and it looks so inviting. So this is how to make easy plain vanilla cupcake that is very fluffy and is very soft. So if you want to see more of my recipe, please do not forget to check my channel for more videos. So much for watching my cupcake recipe. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe.